Hey, hey, hey. Welcome back to Big Day's Fast Food Reviews.
Hey guys, we just got done going through the drive-through DQ, and I thought I'd let my sister do her review first. Tell them what you got, Lauren.
I got the Oreo hot cocoa blizzard.
How is it?
I give it a 10 out of 10.
Hey, 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 10 out of 10. Hell yeah, guys. I got the same thing. It's hot out here.
That is delicious.
I really like that, guys. Oh, sorry, Lauren. Okay. A little bit spilled there. Let's see what else we got in here. Okay, that was the cream from the Oreo there. Got a good crunch. I like the ice cream too.
Crunchy.
I usually get the same thing when I come here. I get like the Reese's or something. My brother got the Reese's Take 5. I almost got that one.
But alright, guys, I better clean up my fat ass mess. I give it a 10 out of 10 too. It's freaking good.